For this performance task, you're showing what you've learned on all the selection tools so far. So when you download this image, you want to make sure you open it in Photoshop. So I'm going to go to Photoshop and go to File, Open, or you can just click the Open button here. It's going to be in your Downloads folder. And on this image, you kind of have control over what you want to change. So what you just need to do is you need to make sure you use the rectangular marquee tool, the elliptical marquee tool, your lasso tool, your polygonal lasso. Do not worry about the magnetic lasso, as well as your object selection, quick selection, and magic wand. And there's a lot of opportunities here to use each of those in their own way. So everybody's will look a little bit different. You just need to make sure. So for example, let's say you start with your rectangular marquee and you see this image here, which is a rectangle. So you kind of select this, you go to image, adjustments, hue saturation, change the color of that. You just want to make sure that you document that here on this. So you want to say, here you'll say, I changed the color of the first picture on the wall to pink or whatever color. So you just want to describe where and when you use that tool. So again, you'll do that for elliptical marquee, lasso, and then you want to do 10 edits total. So the last 3 are your choice. So let's say you used all of the other your tools here, but maybe let's say your favorite tool was maybe the polygonal lasso, and maybe for this one you saw a really good chance to use this here on these books. So you would use it. So let's pretend I did that. I changed the color. You just then want to document that for say I use the poly lasso on the books on the bottom of the shelf and I change their color, yada yada. So just be sure that you put in all of your edits, and then you're going to upload this to Google Classroom along with your edited image as both a JPEG and a PSD.